Hey guys, it's Jay here. I'm at the Fan Expo Toronto. I just scooped this thing up for 80 bucks. It's a licensed Thundercat mystery box. So let's open this baby up on camera here. It's sealed. See if it's worth the $80 I just paid. Get these things cracked open. All right, here we go. Oh. What the hell's this? I don't know. It's like a bag. Yeah, I can never use this in public, ever. A Tigra teddy bear. I don't even know what, like playing cards. Thundercats wallet. I can never use this. Thundercats belt. Magnet. So between this bag, the wallet, I guess it's like some playing cards or something. I don't think it was really worth the 80 bucks, but at least it's Thundercats. So thanks for watching.